The 2020 U.S. elections fall on Tuesday, November 3rd, and the office of President of the United States will be contested. I am at a voting site here in Washington, D.C. According to statistics by the U.S. Election Project, nearly 100 million Americans have cast early ballots nationwide so far, including over 60 million mail-in voting, an unprecedented surge resulted from the coronavirus pandemic. With such a number of Americans voting, the election results may not be readily available on election night. The voting system here in the U.S. assigns each state a number of electoral college votes, while experts said just a handful of battleground states may well determine the outcome of this election. The election also came amid an ongoing pandemic, and coronavirus cases are at an all-time high ahead of Election Day. The past 7 days saw the country's worst week of coronavirus infections, with average daily cases reached 80,000 and a single-day record of nearly 100,000 last Friday, setting the highest single-day number of cases recorded around the world. Though the country is still trapped in the raging coronavirus pandemic and a deep economic slump, this year's elections have blown past previous record to become the most expensive one in U.S. history. The total cost of the 2020 U.S. elections, including presidential and congressional, will near $14 billion US, more than what was spent during the last two election cycles combined. Xinhua correspondents reporting from Washington, D.C.